Welcome to Traveling Fevah. We'll help you travel smarter with useful tips and exciting stories from around the world. Traveling tips for beginners. Traveling can be one of the most enriching experiences of your life, offering you the chance to explore new cultures, meet diverse people, and create lasting memories. Whether you're embarking on a solo adventure or traveling with friends or family, careful planning and thoughtful preparation can enhance your journey and ensure a smoother experience overall. Research your destination. Before you even start packing, take the time to thoroughly research your destination. Understand its culture, customs, and local laws. Check for any travel advisories or safety concerns that might affect your trip. This knowledge not only helps you respect local norms, but also keeps you informed and prepared. Plan your itinerary, but stay flexible. Create a rough itinerary outlining the places you want to visit and activities you wish to do. However, leave room for spontaneity and unexpected discoveries. Sometimes, the best travel experiences come from unexpected moments, rather than following a rigid schedule. Pack light and smart. Packing efficiently is key to a stress-free journey. Make a packing list well in advance and stick to the essentials. Consider the climate and culture of your destination when choosing clothing and accessories. Stay connected and informed. Ensure you have access to essential information during your trip. Keep copies of important documents such as passports, visas, and insurance papers both digitally and in print. Stay connected with loved ones back home and consider purchasing a local SIM card or an international data plan for easy communication. Embrace local cuisine and etiquette. Food is an integral part of any culture. Be adventurous and try local dishes, but also be mindful of any dietary restrictions or allergies. Learn basic phrases in the local language to show respect and make interactions smoother. Prioritize safety and health. Your safety and well-being should always be a priority. Be aware of your surroundings and avoid risky situations. Research emergency contacts and healthcare facilities at your destination. Stay hydrated, get enough rest, and protect yourself from the sun and insects to avoid common travel-related health issues. Manage your finances. Set a budget for your trip and keep track of your expenses to avoid overspending. Inform your bank about your travel plans to prevent your cards from being blocked abroad. Carry a mix of payment options, including cash in the local currency and a backup credit card. Be cautious of currency exchange rates and transaction fees. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.